Hey guys, Toy Tester Tom here, and today we have our NEX Monster Jam Gravedigger Downhill Thrill. This is a set that I've been waiting for a long time, and when it got delivered, I was really excited. Because look at this thing. Coming down this ramp, flying up, and it shows we're going to do a flip. We're going to build our NEX Monster Jam truck, Gravedigger of course, and he's going to do some amazing things. Now, it's going to be a crash up, going to be a smash up. It's flipping action. It's gonna be really fun. And it says it's got real crushing sounds. That's pretty funny. Now as an added bonus, it says right here, we can enter for a chance to win a trip to the 2012 Monster Jam World Finals. Well, unless we got a time machine, we're not gonna make that because that was 5 years ago. So you can understand how old this toy is, but it's unopened and it's ready to go. Here's a good look at it. I'm gonna build it up here. I'm gonna put it back here so you can see. So we build this ramp, go flying down here, knock through the blocks, do a flipperoonie, land on the ground. That's the plan anyways. We're gonna have Dennis Anderson there, and his truck. Silver edition for Gravedigger. Pretty easy to put together. And as you can see, there's lots more sets. Now it looks like I probably got most of these. Pretty much all of them, I think. Still waiting for one or two, but you know what? That's what collectors do. We just try to get as many as we can when we can. So let's open it up, build it, and have some racing, action, downhill thrill fun. All right, there's a lot of pieces here. We even got some nice stickers for the truck. Look at that. Tour Destruction coming up. November 9th, 2010. Well, that was a long time ago, so goodbye to that. So let's start building our downhill thrill. And there it is. There's Silver Gravedigger. Pretty awesome, not too bad to build. Stickers are a little finicky, but you know, you do your best and that's all you can do. It'll look great any way you put it on. So there's Gravedigger. He looks pretty rugged too. And here's an extra secret little feature. See this button in the back? Pretty awesome, eh? Awesome. Okay, so there's our truck. Now, let's build our downhill thrill building set. Well, here we have it, guys. It's all built. Look at this thing. Flying down there. We're gonna do flips and crashes. And if you look really closely, they include this little blue truck. It's a shell of a Monster Jam truck. And who does it look like? Yeah, I think that's Max D. So it's a little bit of a play here because Gravedigger and Max D are natural enemies, right? They like to crash and smash each other. So I think that's why they did that. We're gonna set him up here. He's gonna go flying down here and hopefully he's gonna do this backflip and land. Wouldn't that be awesome? That's what it shows in the box. So we're gonna set up a couple cameras. We're gonna see what we can do. That was pretty spectacular. Look at the smashing and crashing here. He took a beating. I had to pick him up off the floor. So the truck was kind of demolished, but if you watched, he actually landed on his wheels, which was really cool. So we did a flip, but we ran off the table because we only have so much room here at Toy Tester Tom Nation. So I think I'm gonna put a little barrier here. We'll put some monster trucks or something that's blocking. We'll try it again. Okay, we're bringing in a couple trucks. We got our 1/24 scale of Bad News Travels Fast. Gonna put him here on the edge. And we have 1/24 scale Zombie. I'm gonna put him here too. Let's go head to head here. Now, there ain't no way that Gravedigger is gonna smash through these guys. They're gonna be our blockers. That's gonna be really cool. So, actually, let's put him right there. Kenny can smash into him. That's gonna be his target. Okay, we're gonna go all the way up here. Put him on. Now he's ready. Now you see how this works too. We're gonna just lift this up and he kind of pushes him over the edge. That's how it's gonna happen. It's gonna go flying down, do the jump, smash. So let's give it a go. Yes, did you see that? You see that? He landed right on his wheels, right on the tires. Nice job. All right, next level stuff here. We're smashing straight into him. Double stacked 1/24 scale Monster Jam trucks. Here we go. Oh, look at that. They can't even stay there. All right, this is the big shot. Oh, you see that? He went off the side. So, right, well, quick setup. We're just gonna leave those hay bales because you know what? He's gonna smash through them. Who cares? Here we go. Oh, I think they got in the way. So he's popped a wheelie here, landed. And he's lost one of his exhaust. We're gonna keep going. Now there's nothing in his way. Oh, smash, crash on the ground. He's done. Well, there we have it, guys. That's our Monster Jam and NEX Gravedigger Downhill Thrill building set. We had lots of fun with this one. It's quite a project to build, but once you get it done, it's got loads of action. Comes with this awesome Gravedigger, and look at this. Look at the noises. Press it again, and when he smashes, he's got a crashing sound, but you gotta have a smash up for that. So it comes with that, and you got 4 hay bales. You got the shell of Max D. We brought out 2 1/24 scales trucks with Zombie and Bad News Travels Fast, just so we could have a good target to smash against. All in all, really good set. And you know what? I've got at least a half a dozen of these trucks. So we can bring them out, we're gonna have a competition. We'll have a flipping competitions. Maybe we'll bring them and flip them into Jello. Or how about chocolate pudding? Or goo? That'd be lots of fun. So we'll bring a half a dozen out. We'll have an extreme downhill thrill mega competition. That's coming up, so you gotta watch for that one. While you're watching, why don't you head on over to Little Tom's Nursery Rhymes and Kid Songs. You'll love it. And your younger brothers and sisters will love it too. Lots of great nursery rhymes, lots of kid songs, funny songs, original songs, learning songs, and just a whole bunch of fun. Cool pictures and animation. It's a great place to be. We got some new Christmas nursery rhymes up, so you don't want to miss those, because it's the Christmas season. All in all though, here we are with Toy Tester Tom and another great building set. We had lots of fun. I think you guys enjoyed it too. We got a little chance to see what this toy can do. And there's lots more to come on this set, let me tell you. So thanks a lot for watching. And why don't you like this video? Because I know you do like it. I love it. And tell your friends, share it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing. Here at Toy Tester Tom Nation, we got Monster Jam 24/7. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. And we got to thank Hot Wheels and NEX for another great building set. Monster Jam, well done. You've teamed up with some fine companies. And together, you guys are unstoppable for fun. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. And we look forward to more great toy testing and lots more Monster Jam trucks on Toy Tester Tom. Talk to you soon.